Hello, my name is Chris Parham, and this is my project, Jazz as Data, Algorithms as Jazz. And this project deals with the greats of the jazz era in the 1940s. And my project primarily deals with the jazz artists who had mental health issues. But I say to myself, how were they able to create such genius pieces of work? For instance, Billie Holiday, she was bipolar. Mary Lou Williams, she also had mental health issues as well. She's one of the great jazz musicians who was also a piano player. Charlie Parker, he had his issues concerning mental health issues as well. And what I have here, as you can see, this is a AR experience. So what I'm doing is I'm basically going around, I'm going to this project as you can see, that's Bessie Smith as a young lady. And this project, again, is an AR project. So what I'm doing is I'm basically using my data from jazz musicians so I can create an algorithm for a jazz composition. And that's kind of like my project concerning data human, excuse me. And I've been having some major issues with this particular software, but I love the way that it works. It's just so cool. You know what I mean? And as you can see, what I'm trying to do is like right here. This is Miles Davis right there, as you can see right there. And this is all in my kitchen right now through my AR project. I'm having issues with my computer. It does not seem to be working for some strange reason. So again, that's Billie Holiday. And again, my project deals with, again, the mental health issues of great jazz musicians and how I can turn their algorithms into jazz compositions, but also primarily using what they were dealing with in terms of, they were also dealing with segregation and they were also dealing with Jim Crow. So that had played a big role in their mental health, definitely. They were traumatized by it, but they were also, their genius was within, Charlie Parker, he had issues. And also some of the other great musicians as well. Thelonious Monk, I think he was schizophrenic, but I had to do more research. But they did have a lot of the artists had some major issues, especially like, for instance, Billie Holiday right there. And that is so cool, the way that's like kind of sitting there. That's really cool. But this is, again, I'm only taping this because of an issue with my computer, so I can show you guys exactly what it is that I'm trying to do. And as you can see that? Isn't that cool? Jazz, okay, so that's like, I'm missing an A for some reason. I don't know why. But it's supposed to say jazz as data, and then it's supposed to say algorithms as jazz. Okay, so let's see if we can see that. Oh, there we go. Okay, see? Algorithms as jazz. I messed up the spelling. I apologize for that, you guys. But algorithms as jazz. That is so cool. And then we got Bud Powell. Bud Powell was also dealing with mental health issues as well. He's one of the greats. He was schizophrenic, and he was also, paranoid delusions. Same thing with Miles Davis. Miles Davis suffered from paranoid delusions as well. So, he wasn't alone, that's for sure. And Bessie Smith, she went through it as well. Excuse the spoon there, folks. I was having some coffee earlier. But this is basically my project, and I wanted to just show you guys because, again, I'm having issues with my project on my computer. It's not saving for some strange reason. Okay, so again, this is my thing, and I just want to show you guys exactly what I was working on: algorithms as jazz, basically, and that's it. Thanks.